Ah, on today's 30-minute mechanic, we're going to saw our Ranger in half again. This is the second time. We're going to saw the back in half. We're going to cut out where our step notches go with the Sawzall, and then we may throw a little bit of weld in there. So buckle up. Let's go. Okay, yeah, yesterday came out here, cleaned up around those things, and I just, that went really quick, and I went, well, shoot, I might as well just throw some weld in there. So I went ahead and welded these things in, welded on the inside, on this side. I couldn't get to that side because the gas tank's in the way, so I did a little bit, and then the bottom down there. I'm going to take the gas tank out so I can finish over there. The other side, got it zapped in there. You can see on the inside, where I welded it on the inside. Had a hard time kind of getting to the very top on that one because of the gas tank also. So once the gas tank's out of the way, I'll be able to kind of finish these. But today, we're gonna chop the centers out on both sides, and then we may lay a couple of beads down the sides, and then we'll be in pretty good shape. All right, I have got to clean up. It's so much grinding dust and so much stuff everywhere. It is about to drive me crazy. But not going to do that until I'm done cutting these dudes out. Then I can kind of clean up and reset and feel better about my workspace. All right, we got our Sawzall here. I don't know that I need the face shield for Sawzalling, but I do think I want my ears. Where are my ears? Now here's a question. I don't know if I can get my blade. Let's see if I can get my blade in. I may have to get my grinder and make a little relief cut so I can get my blade started in there. Let's check. I don't know. Yeah. Where's my grinder? Where is my grinder? There it is. Yep. Let's just put us a little notch right there. Yeah. And I am going to slip that on. Doesn't work. Oh well. I think I'll be all right just for this. Now we got us a gap there. We can get our blade started. And I think it really sounds weird talking with these on. I think I'm gonna saw from the inside. That way I can go right down the edge of my step notch. And I think I'm gonna put that right there. Big dumb body in here. There we go. Of course, everything fell off the truck. We have sliced them out, you can see, and we'll get our flapper wheel, kind of even that up right there, and then we'll have a good spot to run some weld around. Boy, that really opens up some space. That looks great. Very pleased with this so far. Kind of went a little crooked on this side, right down there, because the gas tank got in the way, but that's okay. We can work around. That one needs a little work too. Okay, let's do some more grinding. Big chunk of frame gone. Sawzall for the win. You know what? I could probably minimize some of my sawzall work. I mean, some of my grinder work if I just take my sawzall here and do a little trimming. All right, now that looks pretty good. Pretty darn happy. Now let's bust out the welder, hook it up, see if we can throw some more beads in there. Let's time out real quick. All right, now we're all set up. We can start laying some more bead in there. Some more weld. Let's get this out. Try to keep these things kind of clean, but sometimes you just can't. All right, let's see what kind of mess we can make here. Probably, oops. Gotta have my readers. Can't see nothing without them. Okay, now we're good. Can't see nothing with them either. Can't see the edge. I think I need some light. Can't see the edge of my frame. I could kind of see the edge of my frame right there, but I couldn't see it very good. Where's my brush? I don't know where it is either. There it is. Turn the super bright Harbor Freight light on so I can see. Maybe that'll help while I'm welding. I can actually see what I'm doing. Both my arms in the way. Well, that was terrible. Okay, that's good. That's pretty good. Let's move the other side. All right, here we go. Side 2. Let's get nothing in the right spot. Okay. Now, let's pull over here. See if we can go right here. Got that done. Kind of right down there at the very bottoms. On both sides, I kind of burned through, and I had to do a little filling because I accidentally burned through the side of the. A little too much heat into it, I guess, through the side of the deal there. But anyways, we're going to take our flappy, kind of clean up those areas, and that'll probably do it for today. Let's check our time. Probably should have turned the little welder down just a little bit. But, you know, whatever. Okay, I'll put this back on. We still have our flappy wheel on there. And we're going to move that. We're going to kind of clean this end up down here. Yeehaw! All right. Let's get you in there and we can show you what we've done today. All right. All welded in. Down, around, all cut out and welded in. Like I said, there's still a few places I need to get to. Once the gas tank's out of the way, back in there, around over on that side, and then back on this side, up underneath here. I might even come back and get underneath that one, although that's pretty good spot there. But anyways, our step notch is in. We're done with that for the most part. Still waiting on shackles. Supposedly, they will be here tomorrow, but I'll believe it when I see it. So, step notch is in. We may go ahead and take our bumper off too tomorrow. Yeah, looking good, man. I'm excited about this thing. All right, it's going to do it for 30-minute mechanic today. I sawed my Ranger in half again. Is there going to be anything left? Yep, there is. All right, we got those cut out. We got them welded up good. We'll have to finish up a little bit of weld once we drop the gas tank. Not a big deal. But man, it's looking great. I'm super excited about this deal. Can't wait for my shackles to come in and I can proceed on with the rear end. So, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell your friends. We'll see you next time. Bye. I kind of waved early.